Hello everyone, welcome again in Cooking What? Today I'm cooking smoked pulled pork. And the most important thing flavoring the pulled pork is dry rub. So the first thing we're gonna make is dry rub. So what we're gonna need? Definitely pork. I have here about 4.5 kilo of pork shoulder, 1 cup of paprika, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of salt, also half a cup of black pepper, quarter of a cup of garlic powder, also quarter of a cup of dry mustard, same quarter of a cup of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, tablespoon of thyme, tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and also tablespoon of coriander seed grounded. And that's it. Now we're gonna make a rub. Basically, we're just mixing all the ingredients. Now we just need to mix it all together. And that should be enough. That's all already. Make sure there is no lumps of salt or something in it. Now we're just gonna season the meat. Make sure you put a lot on top and just rub it all in. This piece has no bone inside, so I can season it inside as well. Just turn it around. Don't be afraid to put that seasoning on top. Don't think it's gonna be too much. I think that's the last bit here. And I think that should be enough, I guess. Just want to make sure every single piece of meat is seasoned. It's quite a big piece, so we need a lot of seasoning. Just put it all together in smaller pieces as you can, so when I put it on barbecue it's not all over the place, because I don't want charcoals directly underneath it. And I had it in the fridge for about 12 to 18 hours. That's what it looks like after. And it's ready to put on barbecue. I'm gonna put on hickory wood chips for some nice smoking. Sorry for the noises, I can't help planes flying over my head. And the music you hear in the background, it's my neighbors. That's it. You can cover it, let it smoke. Make sure temperature underneath it's about 120 Celsius, 130. That's already after over an hour. I'm gonna add some more charcoal. Now just to move charcoal to the sides. Bit of wood chips. And back on the barbecue. That's it. And that's been about 2.5 hours. Again, I'm gonna add some more charcoal, a little bit more wood chips. We're probably gonna need another 2 hours on barbecue, and then I'm gonna wrap it in a foil and put it in the oven for a couple of hours. Okay, I can put it back on the grill now. I guess that'll be the last session. Hour and a half, maybe 2. Okay, that's been all together about 4 hours. I'm gonna take it off, wrap it in a foil, and put it in the oven for about another 4 up to 6 hours. Just wrap it in a few layers of foil. That's it, that looks good. It's in the oven now. I'm gonna leave it for about 5-6 hours. Okay, it's been over 6 hours now. I'm gonna take the foil off and see what it looks like. The smell is amazing. The smokiness and the paprika. You wish you'd be here. That's nice. That's nice and soft. I'm gonna put the glove on. And just squash it, take it all apart. It breaks off so easily. That's nice. So you can make sandwiches, rolls with it, top it up with some chili sauce. I like to make burritos with my one. Watch my next video. That's definitely gonna be burrito made with this pulled pork. So if you like this video, remember to subscribe. That's gonna help the channel a lot, and like it. So see you in the next video. Bye.